from the previous session? Any doubts? Have you guys practiced working with Excel sheets? Any doubts with that? So I have told some of you to do in Excel sheet and show me. Have you guys done? Could you guys show what you have done? Nobody has done it? At least for the next class, I want you guys to do some attendance of students, calculation of attendance of students or marks of students in an Excel sheet and show me. Okay? So today we will learn. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I did mine, but I did it on another computer, so I'll transfer it, and next time I'll show you.
You can't show me today.
I have to search for the flash drive.
Okay.
Anyway, if I get through now, I will show you, right?
No problem. You can share it at least in the next session.
Okay, thank you.
So today we will learn about the other things. So PowerPoint presentations and Word document, right? So we have learned about how to create formulas in Excel sheet, how to do the total, how you can create the cells, what is a cell, all these things we have learned. So we'll move on to the Word document and how to create PowerPoint presentations today. So selecting cells, some if functions, logic functions, inserting a graph, and how you can copy paste from the Word or PowerPoints. All this we have learned.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes, yes.
I finished my Excel and I have it on my computer, but however, we currently have blackout where I live. If the current comes on back and we still have session, can I show mine?
Yes, you can show.
Okay,
Even
all right.
if
So
even if you guys couldn't share it today, at least next session, make sure you guys show it to me. Okay?
okay, sure.
Yeah. So we can see how to design a template, blank presentation, all these things. I'll just share a PowerPoint presentation. So this is a blank PowerPoint presentation. So once you are going to start a PowerPoint, you will be able to see file. So blank presentation, or we have different themes, whichever we want, we can select. We can select the themes, or you can select an empty blank PowerPoint presentation. Okay, here we have themes, designs. You have designs where you can go and select different designs. Okay, we can select different designs in this. After you selecting the design, next is the next slide. You can have different slides, different themes. Okay, so where you can also have the layout. Here in this home, you can see the layout. Excuse me. Layout means the layout which is within the slide. So you can see here in this slide, inside the slide, you have different formats where you can write your data. In different way, you can write your data. So see here, you have like this. Click to add the title. You don't want to add the title. You don't want to give the text in this way. So you can go here in this layout. See, you have different layouts. So I will select title and content. In the title and content in this layout, you can see there are different options which you can select. You can select either image, you can select a graph, you can select a video. See, you have different images, different sections over here. Okay. You can see here the layout. We have different options. See, pictures, These are the pictures which are online pictures. These are the pictures which are within our system. Can you guys see? Could you guys see over here? When I just select the image on this, you'll be able to see certain things. See, here if I select, so can you see online pictures? In this, if you go, these are the pictures which are within in your system. These are insert an icon. So you can insert different icons. You can select, see, like this. You can select the icons. You can select different icons are available here. So business. So you can see different business icons. So you have animals. See animals icon, or you have medical related. See medical related icons. Like this, we have different icons which you can select. Okay, and you have insert a smart art graphic. See, these are a list, process, cycle. Like this, you can insert any graphic. You can select the style which you want to, you want to insert some color. You can select even the color, and this one you want. See the colors you can select. This one you want, you can select the colors also. Okay, and then we have 3D models which are online, which you can insert, even you can insert the 3D models. So you have different 3D models. You can select the 3D model directly from here. See, directly we can insert the 3D models. It will download from the net and it will install the 3D model. See, you can insert the 3D model over here. So then you can change the direction in which you want this 3D model. You can change, you can rotate. See, in which direction you want, you can change this 3D model. Okay, you can go to again next slide, and you can insert the videos, whichever is available from your system, and you can insert a table, how many number of columns and rows you want, you can specify and insert a table. So I want 6 columns and 3 rows, 6 columns and 3 rows. Give OK. See, I can insert the table. I can change the design of the table. We have many designs in which we can make our tables. So different styles of tables are available. Whichever we want, we can create. Okay, we can create the tables. We can insert the data in the table also. Then we'll see the graph. So you can insert different kinds of graph. Line graph, column graph, pie graph, bar graph, area graph. So any kind of graphs you can create here by giving the values. You can copy paste the values from the Excel sheet over here also. We have different functions where you can select a file and open the different files which we have saved. We have insert options here also. Not only the insert options here, you can also see the insert options here in this insert tab. Can you guys see the insert tab? Could you guys see? So in this insert tab also you will be able to see the different pictures, table, what all things we can insert. Over here, what all we saw. So we saw what all things we can insert over here, right? We can insert graph, table, video, 3D model, right? Many things, whatever we have seen here, you can see it under the insert tab over here also. So you can insert the pictures. You can insert pictures, you can insert table, you can insert a screenshot, you can insert a photo album, shapes, icons, 3D models, smart art, chat, all these things you can insert even from this insert tab. It is not necessary that you can only insert from this in the layout. You can insert it even from this tab. Then we have draw. So you also can see, you will be also able to see you'll be also able to see comment, where you can add the comment. You have created a slide, so you can add some comment. So this slide has important calculation. So like this, you can add the comment. As soon as you are moving from one slide to another slide, see, you will be able to see as soon as you come to this slide, you will be able to see the comment section over here. I'll just close this. I come here. I'll just close the comment section. So I'll just move from one slide to another slide. And once I come to the slide where we have the comment section, you'll be able to see like this. So if you select this, the comment will appear. Okay. You can have a text box. You can insert the text box and type here. Okay. You can also insert word art, whatever word art we want, you can select and type the letters in that kind of format. Okay. And then you have equations, symbols, videos, video on my PC or online videos. You can even insert the online videos. Okay. You can see the audio files. If you have any recordings in your system, you can even insert the recording to your slide. Okay. So screen recording, you can even do the screen recording like this. See, audio recording. Select an area and start recording. You can do the screen recording. Then we have drawing tools and features. You have selected this. So for this, I want to change text fill. I can change different colors. See, I can change it to different colors and I can fill with different colors. Then text outline, I can change the outline format however I want. I can change the outlines, more outline colors, weight of the outline, I can change. Okay. Text effects, shadow effects, reflection. See reflection. You will have the reflection here. Like this, we can add different effects. 3D rotation. I can make a 3D rotation. See? I can create a 3D rotation for this. Formats, we can create different things in this. Okay. Then we can draw. We can design different formats, slide size, slide format. We can format the background. Transitions, we have different kinds of animations that are available here. So I have inserted this image. I want this image to fade in and I want it to come. See, just push in. I want this to push in. I want to wipe. See, different kinds of and transitions are available. We can select the sound for the transitions. See, we can create different sounds for this transition. We can create the duration, at what duration we want the animation to occur. That duration, transition durations we can select. Okay. So We have different animations. These are for the transition from one slide to another slide. We have animations where you can select this and we can animate. See, arrive, turnable, swing, jump and turn. See, like this, we have different animations, we have different transitions. Slideshow, we have different modes. From the beginning, from the current, this is a slideshow mode, where this will be full screen. You will be able to see this is the slideshow mode. See, whenever you transit from one slide to another slide, we have the sound, whatever we have added. See, so we can make all these things, and we have added animation to this image. We can create a slideshow and we are going to present this. Okay. Any other questions? So this is a Word document. You can go to file, you have blank document, party invitations, different themes are also available, many templates. You can see more templates. So you want to create a resume. In which you will create a resume? You are going to create a resume in this itself. See, we have a resume format. See, this is the resume format. You can create your resume. So you want a different format for your resume. You can select different resume format. See, you can create different format for your resumes. You can create with the templates. You can use these templates and create a party invitations. You can create a document, a project report, right? A file. So all these can be created. A report can be done. All these can be done with our Word documents. Okay. So you can select certain. So here you can select different size, different format. After selecting this theme, you can write your names. Okay. Objective, experience. You can change all these things. You can format. I don't want this color, so I can change the color. Can go here, change the text color. You change it to whichever color you want. Okay. You change this one to some other thing. Okay. We can change the format type. So this is heading 1. You can change to heading 2, heading 3. So whichever format we want, we can select the heading formats. These are the headings. You have format for heading. You can create a style, different style you can create. Then we have different, these are the text format. You can change different text format. See, here we have different formats in which we can represent our text. So I want it to be represented in different style. I want the name to be represented in different style. So I can select over here. I can select this. See, it is changed. I can select the different format in which I want it to be. Different fonts are available. Okay. I can select different font styles, whichever we want. Okay. After selecting the font, we can even select the size. So I want to reduce the size. I can reduce. I want to increase the size. I can increase. Even by going here, we can increase or decrease the size. And even from here also, you can decrease the size. Are you able to see? We can decrease the size from here also. Are you guys able to see this?
Oh, miss, nothing showing on the sheet. On the document, sorry.
Now, can you guys see?
Yes, now we can see.
See, you can change the font. See, I can change by going here. We can change to different font. Whatever style we want, you can select. So after selecting to different font, we can change the size of this text by going here. We can change to different size. You can change even from here, or you can also change from here, from this position. So you can decrease, you can increase. Could you guys get it now? Is this clear?
Yes, miss.
So then we have different designs. So you can also change this is a heading, right? You can have different styles of heading. So you can see here different formats. Some formats are already available in this, which is specified. You can select that, or you can create a style. You can create a clear formatting, and you can apply different styles. Okay. And we can also insert same how we saw in the PowerPoint presentation. We can insert the table, picture, shapes, different shapes, icons, 3D models, all these things, screenshot, all this we can insert. So you can even link. I want to link my profile. So I can link from whichever location online, some business link is there. I can select it, this one, and I can link. Okay, I can bookmark certain pages for reference. Okay, we can quick parts. So you have auto text corrections, document properties like author, background. We can even create sometimes a bookmark will be added, right? So that you cannot change. It can be, you can see the bookmark, or you can see the protected Word documents. You cannot remove the watermark. Watermark will be present. So you can add the watermark also. Okay. You can add the watermarks to your documents. Designs. We have different designs. See, we have different designs in which we can create. See, as I select a design, it will keep changing over here. You can see here. So I'll select different designs. It will change based on those designs. We have many designs. You can select the designs, or you can select your own style we can create. So we have layout. What is the layout? What is the margin? So what is the normal? We have at top 2.54 centimeters and at the bottom. So these are the margins what we have. So header and footer we can create. So I will just show you with a new. Yeah. So when you go over here, you have certain header space and the footer space. You can see the margin over here. Moderate, wide margins, mirrored. So we have normal. I can take to normal margin. Okay. So we have orientation, portrait. This is a portrait. We can even have landscape orientation. This is a landscape orientation. And we can have portrait orientation. Size, we can select which format we want. We can select A4 size. A4 size sheets can be selected. Breaks, columns, how many columns you want. You can select the columns. And you can also have line numbers, indent to the left you want it to be indented, or to the right, how much centimeter towards right and how many centimeters towards right or left. So these things also can be given. And between these lines, what is the gap you want? What is the, see here we have line and paragraph spacing. So between these lines, what is the spacing you want to give? Between these two paragraphs, what is the spacing you want to give? You can specify by selecting this. Remove space before paragraphs, or add some space before and after the paragraphs. You can even select this. Okay. Layouts are done. References, you can add table of contents. So you can add a table of content. What are present in this document? You can add a table of contents to this. We have different table of contents, whichever you can add. Okay. You can add a level 1, level 2, different types of table of contents. Different levels are available, different kinds of text formats. We can add that. You can do the mail. You can start a mail merge. You can create a mail. So letter, normal Word document or email message, you can select it. So it will be like this. You can send. You can send the email. You can select a recipient over here. So type a new list. You can select new entry. You can do the entry. Okay. Then you can write the first name, last name, company address, give OK. And you can even send it to send a mail. Okay, then we have a review where you can have grammar and spell check. Spelling and grammar check is complete. Show comments, accept, restrict editing. You can restrict editing. Okay. Formatting restrictions so that nobody can format your document, whatever you are sending. Okay, you can do editing restrictions. Nobody can copy, paste, or edit any text in this document. You can even select these options. Okay. Hide ink. So hide ink. You can hide. You can restrict editing. You can compare and combine with some other documents. And we have a view, different kinds of view, read mode. This is the read mode. And we have print layout, how it will look when you want to print. Web layout. And we have different options over here, table design and different types of layouts. You can save this document also after that. So we can even create graphs in this. Even you can create a graphs or charts. Okay, bar graph. You can enter the details of that graph. For the graph from the Excel, you can copy. Any other questions? So slideshow, slide sorter view, slide view, outline view, normal view. These are the different viewpoints we have in our PowerPoint. So in the normal view, the screen is split into 3 sections where we have comments can be written over here. You can see here. I'll just show you in the normal view. We'll go. See, we have 3 sections. See here, you can add some notes about this slide. Whatever you have given in this slide, you can write some notes about this slide here. And here it will show all the slides we have in this PowerPoint presentation. Whatever slides we have, you can see over here. And here, if you have any comments, any comment is added. So new comment, any comment is added, you can see the comments over here in this side. And here you can see the content of the slide. Could you guys get it? So what are the things we have? If you have any comments, you can see this side. If you don't have any comments, you will be able to see this normal slide, whatever documents you have written or whatever you have added in this slide can be seen over here. And some notes about this, some important points about the data in this slide. The notes can be written over here. And then you can see all the slides which are present in the PowerPoint presentation over here in this side. Is this clear? So these are the 3 views we have where we can add the documents in our PowerPoint presentation. So other views, outline view, slide sorter, inserting slides and text. We insert new slides to add new slides after the current slide. You can use slide layout to change or modify, to insert the text. We have seen the layout, right? We have different types of layout where you can change the layout. You want to add text, you can select different layout. You want to add some image, you want to add some title. Based on your requirement, we can change the layouts. We can create the text box. We can insert images. We can find the images over the internet. We can find the images within the system. We can resize the image, we can edit the image, we can change the color of the image, we can crop the image, and we can insert the images in our PowerPoint. Formatting the background can be changed. Preview the effect before you apply, and apply the effects to one slide or to all the slides in your presentation. You can add the graph. The easiest approach is to use cut and paste the graph details from your Excel, the data from your Excel. You can cut and paste it in this, and you can create the graph. That is the easiest way of creation of graph in our PowerPoint or in our Word document. Alternative is you can even add the contents into the graph sheets. Okay. In Microsoft Word, we have different views in the Word. We have outline. We can create the PowerPoint presentation, but you must use the file extension as .ppt when saving it. Word processing software, it is designed for entry, editing, printing of documents. Windows version Microsoft Word is the word processing document from Microsoft. We have different Word document from other companies also. So not only from Microsoft, we have different Word document creation softwares. Word processing documents will include letters, memorandum, fax, mail merge, report, one-page flyer, emails. Creating documents, we have title bar, we have menu bar, we have tools and buttons, we have a ruler, this is the ruler, and we have text area, this is a text area where you can enter. We have scroll bars for scrolling down to the documents. We have the status bar. These are the status bar which will tell us about the, see, I will just show you. So can you guys see? This is a ruler. This is the ruler. Can you just see? These are the ruler. And can you see here page 1 of 2? 2 of 162 words. English, United States. Can you see? So this is the current page number of the document. This is the number of words in the selection or document. This is the language which we have selected. So you have different modes over here. Print layout mode, read mode. So you can select a web layout mode. Different modes are also available. Then we have a ruler section here, and this side you have this is a scroll bar. See, you can scroll to the top and to the bottom of the document. Is this clear? Even in this, I have mentioned these are the scroll bars. This scroll bar is to scroll from top to bottom, and this scroll bar is there to move from left to right. And this is a text area, this is the ruler, and these are the task pane. We can select different tasks, choose a document, blank web. So what we want to do, you can choose from this task. Whatever task we want to perform, we can select from this. We have status bar, which will say what is the page number, how many letters are there in this document. All this can be seen in this status bar. What is the language we have selected? All these can be seen in this status bar. And this is the text area where we can enter our text. Any questions with this? Menu bar, these are the menu bar where we have file, edit, view, insert, format, tools. All these are the menu bar. And we have different tools like for formatting, you have the language, font size, which side you want to put your data, towards the center of the document, towards the left end, towards the right end. So these are all the tools. This is the title bar where you will be able to see the title of the document. See, even in this, you can see the title bar, document to Word. So we have not saved this. If you save this one, if you are going to save this one as a resume, this PC, I will just save it as resume. Okay. I will save this as a resume. So can you see now it is changed. The title is changed to resume now. So that is the title. Then we have viewing of the documents, where you have MS Word documents can be viewed in different layouts. This is a print layout. This is a normal layout. We have seen this, right? These are the different views. Viewing documents, MS Word documents can also be viewed in layouts that allow special functions like web page, which look much like a normal view, but is saved in a different file format. Outline looks much like a normal view, but includes various levels indicating intentions and indentions and also the tabs. Saving document, always save it in a familiar location. By creating a folder, you are going to save the document inside that folder so that next time when you want to open the document, you are not going to search for it. You can easily go and select that particular document. Be sure to name your file appropriately. What is that document related to? Whether it is a resume, whether it is your project report, whether it is your document related to some project. So what is it? You have to name it accordingly for your file or for your Word file. MS Word will add an file extension to the name. For what name you are saving, to that it will add .doc. It will save in .doc format. You can see this. So I'll just show it to you. Now we have saved this as resume, right? So we'll just go and see. I'll just show you the format in which it is saved. So can you guys see resume over here? Go right click, go to properties. So what is it saved as? Resume.docx. Previously it was saving with .doc. This is an extended version. Some new features are added to the Word document, and this is a latest version. So we have .docx. Okay, previously it was saved in .doc format. Now it is saved along with the name. What is the format it will be saved in? Resume.docx docs. Is this clear? Previously in which format it will be saving? .doc. .docx. It will be saved in .doc or .docx format. It will be saved. Is this clear? Okay. Whenever it is being saved, MS Word .doc or .docx will be the extension along with the file name. What is the difference between save as and save? So can you guys tell me what is the difference between save as and save? You have a Word document. I will give save as.
Save,
Yes.
save overwrites the previously saved version of the document but doesn't create a new document, while
Yeah.
save as actually creates a brand new document in a new location.
Yes. Very good. So save means it is just saving some changes, whatever we have made to the same file or to the same document. Save as is going to create a new document. It will create a new document and save it at the new location. Whereas save, it will update some things into the existing documents. It is not creating a new document. Always be sure to make a backup copy of your documents. Editing features, we have Control X for cutting the document, cutting the text or cutting the images, and Control V is there for pasting the document text into the document or image. We have Control C for copying some text or the image. We have Control F where you can enter there what you are finding in the document. It will search for that text in your document. We can delete right of a cursor. We can left of the cursor, we will select for backspace, type over or overwrite, and search, find or replace. We can do all these features in our Word document. Retrieving a document, you can search. Nowadays, we have a new feature in the Word documents or PPTs. If you have not saved your document or you have turned off, or automatically when you turn on, when you open a PowerPoint, it will show previous document which was not saved. Have you seen this? Previous PPT which was not saved, or previous Word document which was not saved will be shown. You can save this. Okay. By this, you can retrieve your document also. So documents can be deleted by using a right click and delete. You can rename the documents also. You can print. Okay. Printing documents, before printing a final draft, we should be sure to proofread, read over the document again. You can check someone to proofread. You can check for spellings or grammar check. After proofreading, resave, and then you are going to print your documents. Character formatting, we have seen different types of character formatting, right? We can select different fonts. We can have font attributes that is going to enhance the font for emphasis. And you have font size. You can select different size, whatever size you want. You can select heading for a larger size and text with a smaller size. We have typeface, which is a set of characters with a common style and a design. We can even select bold or boldface. We can make that darker. We can make italics. So these are all the different formats we can make. See, we can make it bold. You can select this and make it. I'll select this text, make it bold. I don't want it to be bold. I can remove it. I want to make it italics. I can select italics. See, I have selected it to italics. I can remove it from the italics. So I can select this and remove it from the italics also. Select this to italics, remove it. I want to underline, select this, underline, it will be underlined. Okay, it will be underlined. So you want to write some text at the below. I want to write some 2, 3, 4, 5 towards the right bottom. So I can select this 3, 4, 5 and select this one. See, now it will be to the bottom. I want to select this and write it to the top. I can select this one, superscript. See, it will be turned to the top. So we can make all these font changes. Subscript, superscript, underline, all this we can make. Paragraph alignment, we can create the alignments for the paragraph. We can see over here. So this is the paragraph I have. So I can select this and I can align. So I will remove the spacing before paragraph and remove spacing after paragraph. Now I want to add some space. I will add 1.15 spacing between the paragraphs. I want to make it to the center. I can select to the center. I can select it to the right end. I can select like this. I can select to the left end. Whichever indent I want, I can select. Whichever type of alignments we want, we can select. Left align, center align, right align, justify. So these are the options we have. We can create even the bullets. So I will select this one. I'll select this one and I want to add a bullet points. Select this and we have different formats of bullet points. I can select this way. I can select this way. I can select this way. This. We can define a new bullet. Picture. I can select. Okay, I can select some pictures, fonts. So what is the font I want for the bullets? I can select that. Bold, bold italic. See, I can select different sizes for these bullets also. Now I want to give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. I can select the numberings. I can select different ABCD I want to select. I can select like this. So whichever format we want, we can select for the bullets also. Okay. So we have alignment, full left, right, and center alignments, fully justified, lines of text are both left and right aligned. Left justification, alignments allow the documents to have an even left side, and right justification alignment allows the document to have an even right side. Center justification, a feature when activated will align the text horizontally on the line. Character formatting, we have borders, bulleted list, hanging indent, and indents. Borders are the frame that will surround the picture. Bullet lists, list of key points, each preceded with a symbol or emphasis. A hanging indent, all lines except the first line are indented. Used in citing references, indent inserting text from one of the margins. Paragraph formatting, line spacing, the amount of space between lines in a document, single space, double space, triple space, like this we can give the spacings. Page break indicates that the maximum number of lines have been keyed on a page and a new page is beginning. Hard break created by the user, soft break created by word processing program. Paragraph formatting, we can have tab key, text to tab. So tab key allows the user to move the cursor to a predetermined number or space. Text wrap feature allows the text to flow around an object or a graph. Window or an orphan protection feature will prevent the window or orphan lines in a document. Orphan is the first line of paragraph at bottom of page. Window is the last line of paragraph at the top of the page. We have margins, page orientations. We have learned different page orientations like portrait view, landscape view. In portrait, taller than wide. In landscape, wider than it is taller. Headers, repetitive text located in the top of margin. We have endnotes, footers, and footnotes. Endnotes, references used to credit to the source information. These are placed at the end of the reports. Footers or the repetitive text. So you can see over here. So in this, I can add the footer. We can add the footer. So insert cover page, blank page, page break. We have headers and footers. Can you see? Header and footer. So header, I want this. I can add. Footer. I will just select a footer. Close the header. I want to create a footer. Insert footer. So I want to select this. So what all I want to insert? This document. I want to insert a page number. So I can even select a page number. Can you select, see here, page number. So bottom of the page, I want the page number to be shown. So I want the page number. Bottom of the page, I want the page numbers to be shown like this. So can you see the page number? This is the first page. So we can also add to the header, and we can also add some, edit the footer. We can add some document, some details or some information. Okay, over here in this footer also. Document information, author. So this is the author, Rashmi, and I have some things, whatever I want to write about it, I can write over here. Okay, I can make it different color. See, we can add all this. So this will be present in all the pages. Now I'll go to next page. Even in this page, automatically it will be there. See, you will be able to see. Second page, author details I will have written. Is this clear? So this is about the footer notes or header notes, whichever we want, you can add. This is the footnotes you can add. Footer notes and footnotes also you can add for reference. Placed at the bottom of the report. It is a superscript or it is a document used for knowing about this document. It is an information about this document. So word processing tools, features that can be used to enhance the accuracy of a document. We have spell check, grammar check, wizards, help, office assistants. These are some of the tools which are called as utilities. Comments or notes added to the document. To add comments, just select a text or a item which you want to give comment, and just where you want to comment, you just click that, go to insert menu and click the comment, and you will be able to add the comments for that text. Now let us say I have made some document, I have sent it to you. So you guys have checked some things and you have seen some mistake. So you can select the text and you can add a insert, go to insert and select comment, and you are going to add, we are not clear about this text, and you can send that document to me. So I'll be able to see the comment and I can change that text. Okay, we can also keep a track of changes. So we can also keep track of changes that are made by me, keep track of changes that are given by you. You can give comments like this. You can add the comments like this and you can even send it. So I'll just show it to you. So we have this document. So I can go select this. So this is not clear. So teacher, some documents is there, it is not clear. So I will just select this text. What you are going to do, you select this text, go to insert, and you have comment. Can you guys see here? Comment. Insert the comment and you are going to type. So once you type this, you will be able to see who has done this. So now someone else, let us say David has got this document. Now David will put he will see something here and he will not understand something. He will select, he will write a comment. So here the name will not be Rashmi, it will be David. David will make some comment about this again. I will be able to see all the comments. So this is made by me, this is made by David. We can see from David, this is the changes he has given. Like this, we can have all the information of comments in this. Not only whatever comment I have given, if I have sent this document and you have made some comments, you can see that comments also. We have a help. So you can use this help and check for whatever doubts you have. Okay. And we have references, we can search. We have mailings, you can mail these documents, you can review this document, you can do the spelling or grammar check. Okay. It is showing, see here, this is some error. So I have just typed something. So this is showing this is an error. So you have to change this, not in the dictionary, you have to check this. So you will be able to proofread this document. It will show for the errors. Okay. So you have this thesaurus at a loss for words. Let us suggest another way to say, what do you mean? We are giving some words. For these words, what does the other meaning or other sentence is available? You can see. You can translate it also. Translate the section. Okay. We have word count. You can count the number of words. Pages, one page. How many words are there? One word. Characters. How many characters are there? 18. Characters with space. So all these you can even see in this. Is this clear? Any questions? Any doubts? So now we have learned Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. So some of you do Excel, some of you do Word document, and some of you do PowerPoint presentations, and you're going to show it to me in the next session. So PowerPoint presentation you can do on whatever topics we have studied so far. So first class, whatever we have learned. Based on that, you can make a PowerPoint presentation and show. You select some topic from our first session. Whatever we have learned from our first session, you select some topic from that and create a PowerPoint presentation and you can show. You can create a Word document also based on whatever topics we have learned from the beginning. Any one topic from that and you can create a Word document. You can add extra information also by selecting from the net. By searching in the net, you can add some extra information also. You can create Excel sheets also for the attendance of a student. Or what are the things you have. You can select some for some business related, or for some business organization you are creating for attendance or for employees. You can create and you can show me next session. Is this clear? Are you guys sharing in the next session? Any questions you have or any doubts?
No, miss.
Okay. Thank you, guys.